Welcome to the research world. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change the background image in Excel worksheet, or how to insert an image into the Excel worksheet. So let's follow the steps. This is my worksheet, and I want to add a background image. So first of all, go to the page layout. Now click on the background option. You will get three options. For example, I'm going to upload the photo from my computer. I will click on Browse. Select your picture, that is the background image you want to insert. Select the image, click Insert. Now, select all your text with Ctrl-A. Go to the home page and select the white or any color for your text. In this way, you can insert any sort of the background image into your worksheet. Thank you for watching.